how to fix USB connector error 2023. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to fix USB connector error 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you are a developer. So it depends on what phone you have, but in that you just need to click 7 times or 6 times on whatever that a company or your phone has provided you. So once you're the developer, you just need to head over to your system settings. Then from there, just scroll down until you can see the developer options. Now, once you're in there, what you need to do is to just scroll down and allow USB debugging right here. So let's allow it. Click on OK. And once you have allowed it, just scroll down until you can see the default USB settings. So let's scroll down again until we can see that. So as you can see, this is that default USB configuration. So just click on that. And in here, as you can see, the default is no data transfer. So if you want to connect your USB to your PC or laptop, you can just choose the file transfer right here, and that should be able to save it. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix USB connector error 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.